What's up, guys? We're here today in the kitchen with Kurt, and we're gonna make some chicken and shrimp carbonara my way. We're gonna start off with the chicken and shrimp carbonara marinade. So basically what I did is I put a half a tablespoon Italian seasoning in there, and I put a clove of chopped garlic as well. And to that I'm gonna add some water. That's a half a cup of water. And to that we're going to add some half a cup of extra virgin olive oil. Alright, so we're going to take it, we're going to whisk this all together, like so. And if need be, if you need a little more water in there, a little oil, you can certainly add to it, it's not going to hurt it. Okay, and what we're going to do from here, we whisk this all together. Like I said, if you need to add a little more oil or a little more water to kind of get it all marinated together, so it's all good. So to this we're going to add our chicken. So they say 1 pound of chicken. I use chicken breast, just cut it into kind of tender size, if you will. And just going to put this into the marinade, like so. Just fill that up with roughly about 3/4 away in the pot here, and bring this up to a boil. And we're going to add some kosher salt, good pinch of kosher salt. And what I like to do in my pasta, I like to add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil into the water. And we got our tablespoon of parsley, and this is a tablespoon of Panko breadcrumbs, and a tablespoon of Parmesan cheese, and a tablespoon of melted butter. And what we have to do with this is we're going to whisk this together, so mix this all together here. Okay, so we got our water boiling here, waiting for the pasta. We're going to start making some noise in the pan now. We got our bacon here. We got our shrimp and our chicken that are being marinated right now. I'm getting happy in the fridge, and getting ready to dice up our bacon here and get ready to put everything together. Okay, we're going to finish this up. We're just going to cut the red pepper here, and we're going to dice that up, and we're going to add that into the saucepan and get everything together and start making some noise. I'm getting hungry. Okay, so we got our water boiling here for our pasta. Put a good pinch of kosher salt into the water as well, and also, like I said, my pasta, I like to throw a little bit of extra virgin olive oil into that as well. We got my pan heating up here. We got a 1/4 cup of melted butter. And we're going to let this start bubbling up here. We're going to throw garlic in, and then start making our sauce for the chicken and shrimp carbonara. Alright, so we got our butter melting here, 1/4 cup of butter, throwing the garlic, 2 cloves of garlic in here. I'm going to let that saute for about 5 minutes. Alright, we're doing our garlic and our melted butter, and I'm adding a half a cup of flour to it. You want to just keep mixing this so it doesn't clump up. And to this, we got to add half a cup of milk. Do a half cup of heavy cream. I'm going to add a half cup of Parmesan cheese. And I just want to mix this all together and bring it to a boil, and then we're going to let it just simmer down from there. Okay, so we got this set aside. That's the flour, Parmesan cheese, garlic, butter, and milk and heavy cream. So now we're going to start with the bacon, and we want to saute the bacon, and we want to get this guy getting nice and happy. We're going to get our bacon going in here, drain off the oil, and we're going to throw our chicken in there and start sauteing that. Okay, so we got our pan up to heat here. Put our bacon in, and we're going to saute this. Start putting everything together. It's going to be good. All right, so we got our bacon cooking over here, and our water's up to temperature, so we're ready to go. We're going to put our pasta in, and like I said, get everything together and make one happy dish. And one thing I like to do is I like to, my mother, God love her, she always broke the pasta in half, so I'm going to do that. A little more controlling as well when you put it into the dish. So we're going to take that, I'm going to just stir this up, make sure the noodles don't stick together. And again, I already put my salt in there, I already put in the extra virgin olive oil. And we're going to bring this up to a boil. And let it boil for about 7 to 10 minutes, or until taste. Alright, so we got our bacon going here. This is all looking good. We got our pasta in the water. Oh, we're waiting for everything to get happy here. I'm going to get happy too. Having a little mimosa. Okay, so we got our bacon getting nice and crispy here. So we're going to take this and drain the bacon off. Paper towel. Heat on here, and we're gonna get our chicken and shrimp. Marley checking in. He's our little guy around the house here. All right, so I got my chicken that was marinating. So I'm gonna put this on the pan here. I'll make sure what you like. But just highly recommend just make sure you put all the pickles out. All right, we're gonna saute these, and we'll put the shrimp in here. So basically just flipping these over. Again, just want to make sure that's cooked thoroughly through. And everything's coming together. Pasta, we got a few more minutes on that. And it's just going to wait till this gets cooked a little more. We're going to throw the shrimp in. We're going to get ready to plate. Man, oh man, hang on your hat. It's going to be awesome. All right, so we got our pastas done here. Let's shut that off. And I'm going to take this over here. Come on, camera lady, gotta film this. Turn it in there. Oh yeah. Oh, that's some happy stuff there. We want to drain that out. We got our chicken sizzling over there. Sounds good. Ready to put the shrimp in. I'm an extra virgin olive oil guy. Just want to pasta there so it doesn't clump up together, stick together. Alright. This little browning on there. That's all flavor. Oh. Excellent. Just listen to that happiness going on right there. And all that flavoring, the caramelization. Oh, Lord. Good stuff. Alright, so the chicken's done getting happy here, so I'm going to take this off. I'm going to put this aside. And then we're going to put the shrimp in there. I'm going to saute that. Shrimp is only going to take just a couple minutes. And our pasta's done. And we're going to actually put everything together and cook it in a pan, and it's going to be one happy meal. So we'll catch you in a couple minutes. Alright, so we're going to put our shrimp in here now. This is all going to get happy in here from our marinade. Turn that down a little bit. Both sides just done. You don't want them curled up real tight because they're overdone from there. So we just want to get them pink on both sides. They'll still cook inside as well from the heat. And We'll take them off when we're done here, and we'll go to the next step. I'm going to take this and just this off on the side. We're going to save that marinade or juice that's in there, if you will, and we're going to start putting everything together. Let's take this stuff out of here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to separate everything. I still have my red peppers I got to put in here. Basically, put a little olive oil in there as well, and I'm going to take what I have left in here, and I'm just going to put a little bit in there. And actually what I'm going to do is I'm just going to plate one at a time, and you'll see what I mean as I go here. Again, just bring the pan up to heat here. I'm going to cut up some chicken, a little smaller pieces, and we're going to do the red peppers. Throw the bacon in, throw the shrimp in, throw some chicken in there. Get a little bit of our little happy sauce we got here, and it all starts melting together, and excellent dish. Stay tuned. All right, so we're going to put our red peppers in here now, red bell pepper, and we're going to let that saute. Again, just a little bit more olive oil. Get it happy in there. And we're going to start putting everything together here. Throw this all back in the pan. It's all getting happy here. We'll put in our chicken. And where it all starts coming together, we'll put in some of our shrimp. Get that going there. We're going to get some pasta. If you want to follow me, throw some pasta in here. Okay, bring this back over the stove. And we're going to take some of our garlic, flour, butter mixture that we had. Mix that around. Just going to add a little heavy cream in there, just kind of give it a little bit of a cream sauce. And we're going to get our bacons in there. Bacon bits. Mix this all together. We're good. A little mess, I'm doing that. Just slide that, put that right on a plate. Oh, man. Look at that. All right, guys, there it is. Excellent dish. It's the shrimp chicken in a carbonara style, my way. And please, if you like the recipe and you want to follow, please hit the button below, subscribe, and plenty more recipes going to be coming up. Thank you very much.